BlackRock, the financial giant that controls the world. Imagine a company that has more money under management than the GDP of almost every country on Earth. A company so powerful that it influences governments, corporations, and global markets. That company is BlackRock, the world's largest asset management firm. But how did it rise to such dominance? Who founded it, and how did it grow into the financial powerhouse it is today? This is the incredible story of BlackRock, the trillion-dollar empire shaping the global economy. Stay tuned, because this is a story of vision, power, and influence like no other. The birth of BlackRock, a visionary's gamble. The story of BlackRock begins with Larry Fink, a man who turned a financial failure into the biggest comeback in Wall Street history. In the 1980s, Fink was a rising star at an investment bank called First Boston. He specialized in mortgage-backed securities, which were a hot new financial product at the time. But in 1986, one miscalculation cost his firm $100 million, a mistake that nearly ended his career. Instead of quitting, Fink learned from his failure. He realized that the financial world needed better risk management and more transparency in investments. He believed that with the right data and technology, investors could make smarter and safer financial decisions. With this vision, he and a small team of partners left their jobs and founded BlackRock in 1988. At the start, BlackRock was just a small firm with $5 million in seed funding. But Fink had a plan. He would build a company that combined asset management with cutting-edge technology, making it the most powerful investment firm in the world. The rise to power. From startup to trillion-dollar empire, BlackRock quickly gained a reputation for being smarter and safer than traditional investment firms. Instead of taking wild risks, they focused on data-driven investments and risk management. In the 1990s, BlackRock introduced a game-changing technology called Aladdin, a supercomputer system that could analyze financial risks better than any human. Aladdin became the secret weapon that helped BlackRock grow at an astonishing pace. By the early 2000s, BlackRock was managing hundreds of billions of dollars. But the turning point came in 2008, during the global financial crisis. How BlackRock became too big to fail. When the 2008 financial crisis hit, major banks and governments were in chaos. The U.S. government needed help managing toxic assets and stabilizing the economy. Who did they turn to? BlackRock. Larry Fink and his team were given the job of handling billions of dollars in bailout funds, managing risky assets, and advising the U.S. Treasury and Federal Reserve. This moment made BlackRock one of the most powerful financial institutions in the world. Governments and banks realized that BlackRock's technology and expertise were unmatched. After the crisis, BlackRock took advantage of market shifts and acquired Barclays Global Investors, which made them the largest asset manager on Earth. From that moment, BlackRock became a financial superpower. The numbers. How big is BlackRock? Today, BlackRock is managing over $10 trillion in assets, more than the GDP of Japan and Germany combined. A major shareholder in almost every major company, including Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and Tesla. A key advisor to governments and central banks worldwide. With this much influence, some people believe BlackRock controls the global economy. But is that true? The power and controversy of BlackRock is often called the most powerful company you've never heard of. While it doesn't operate like a traditional bank, it has enormous influence over stock markets. BlackRock holds shares in nearly every major corporation. Real estate. The company has invested billions in housing, which some critics say drives up home prices. Government policies. BlackRock advises central banks and policymakers, raising concerns about conflicts of interest. Some critics argue that BlackRock has too much power with too little oversight. Others see it as a necessary force in managing global investments efficiently. Why Americans respect BlackRock. Despite the controversy, BlackRock has earned the trust of investors, businesses, and governments because 1. It provides stability. BlackRock manages pension funds, retirement accounts, and investment portfolios for millions of people. 2. It focuses on long-term growth. Unlike short-term traders, BlackRock invests in the future of companies and industries. 3. It champions sustainability. BlackRock has pushed for environmental and social responsibility in corporate investments. The future of BlackRock. As financial markets evolve, BlackRock continues to adapt. It's investing in AI, blockchain, and sustainable energy while expanding into new global markets. The big question is, will BlackRock continue to grow, or will governments step in to regulate its power? One thing is certain, BlackRock isn't going anywhere. It will continue shaping the global economy for decades to come. Conclusion: the company that runs the world? BlackRock's story is one of vision, innovation, and influence. Larry Fink took a huge risk in 1988, and today, his company controls trillions of dollars, impacting everything from Wall Street to Main Street. Some people see BlackRock as a force for financial stability. Others worry it has too much control. What do you think? Is BlackRock a financial genius or a hidden empire controlling the world? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing business stories.